Alright, so I'm back for video number 5 of Harvest 2023. My grandpa, he's still gone. Yeah, we got a lot done today. A rain that's coming tonight might shut us down for gosh, who knows how long, probably a day I'd probably think, and then it'll probably be dry enough again tomorrow, the day after, and we'll be back to combining probably out here on this field again. I don't know. This field was in corn last year. Of course, me and my brothers didn't glean this cornfield. We gleaned that cornfield over there, and we let's see what else to glean at. We gleaned over at Berdine's place. That's another farm that we farm at, which we got 2 bins over there. One we don't use anymore. So anyway, so just waiting on the combine to come back. Once again, this it's so dry out here that it's just powder out here. So yeah, the rain that we should have gotten yesterday is, I don't know, probably gonna let it. You can see the dust. You can see the dust. He's coming back. So, yeah, he should be coming back over the hill any second now. I don't see him yet, but oh, there's some dust coming back over there. Yeah. When I'm actually go subscribe to Big Tractor Power. He's got over 2 million, I think he's got over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. I do have 3 playlists made on my channel. I keep the newest playlist of Big Tractor Power's YouTube videos. That would be the 3rd playlist. So if you go and find Big Tractor Power Big Tractor Power 2010 to present day part 3 PT3 on my channel, then that's where you find almost all. That's where you find the latest videos from him. So yeah, big shout out to Big Tractor Power. It's too bad he doesn't come all the way out here to film like farm machines. He only films farm machines that are in Western Kentucky. So that way I don't get it all bean dust. So yeah. He's so busy combining. Yeah. I apologize for the wind noise. He's gonna go and dump probably. Yeah, he's gonna go dump. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, it's been a while since the old 4430 actually pulled a wagon. Well, yeah, it actually has been a little while since. Well, no, it was actually last fall that they pulled. That tractor actually pulled two wagons, two 440s of corn all the way to my grandpa's brother's place to be dumped. As we were finishing up Berdeen's last fall when it was in corn. Yeah, hopefully my grandpa gets back soon with 7820. We normally would have the 8400 on the 544 that the 4430 is on right now, but that's at the shop yet getting fixed. It's almost done, but the guys that are working on it are busy hauling corn, so they don't really got time to work on it. So, yeah. Yeah, I told my grandma I was gonna make me what, 3 more videos, but I might stay out here for probably 1 more, even after number 6. So yeah, so he's done unloading. He'll here comes my grandpa. There, here he comes. He's coming back up. That's all. I got the gator out of the way. Yeah, I don't know why he still got the pipe out. I suppose he's probably gonna want to do. I suppose he's probably gonna dump a couple more loads on dump another load on the 4430 and the 544 wagon over there, and then and my grandpa will probably take that. You can see him with a junk. Yeah. Anyway, I have to go and have to go to the bathroom, so I'm gonna let you guys go on this video. I'll talk to you guys in the video number 6.